Good morning. What's up, guys? This is Stock Market Pre-Market Watch List with Just the Average Guy. And here I just break down the stocks that I looking at this morning, my little watch list, you could say. And I just try to give you a little insight. This is mostly for beginner traders who don't know what they're doing. So I try to give a little insight on what they look for and how to do it. So let me jump right into it. All right, so the first one we got is APHB. Now I just had a little spike here, not much volume. You want to see some good volume going on when you're checking out stocks for the morning. So just got a little alert that it's up there, that it's previously. Let me see how it's been going past couple days. See, I had a nice jump. Might have some news. Let's check out the news. And it's got some news presentation. All right, little news, a little bit news. Haven't really investigated too much, but we'll keep it on the watch. Next, we got CLRB. Now, CLRB, yesterday I traded it. I got in right around here at let me see, don't have it right here, but it's on my last video in the description. I got in and I got out. It wasn't doing nothing. I just broke even, pretty much, minus commission. But it's getting another good spike. See, this is what we like to see, some volume coming in. Let me see, that's 100. See right here, up here is where it tells you how much volume is going on. And 100,000, 100,000 shares is what that's, good. That's good. It's a low cap stock, so, that's good for that. That's what we like to see, people interested in the stock, and we go with the flow. So we check out the RSI real quick. It's in the middle point, or not the middle point. Middle point's about 45. It's a little bit above, not too bad. That means it has room to grow. Check out the stochastic, and this, you have to learn about it and stuff like that. But it pretty much works the same as the RSI. You tell the high points, tell the low points. See how it was low here, it was low there. A little delayed, but still a good indicator to use. So next, tops. Checking out real quick. Now tops, let's check out the 180 real quick. Look at that, pretty risky stock here, but let's make it do what it do. Had a big drop here. That's crazy. Might be forming a cup. Maybe that's right for the spike here. See the other side spiking up, showing that it's overbought. It's overbought right here. Let's look at the 1 minute. So I like to catch where there's still bars, not those up there, because that means very few trades happen up here. That's where the least amount of trades happen up here. So that means most people don't even, have that price point up there. So looking at RSI, ooh, look at that. Big O is definitely oversold. Look at that. What's going on? Let's check it out. Announces time charter with oil major for blah, blah, blah. That's pretty much what it says. But no, you definitely need to investigate your news. If I just click on it, it's going to take a little minute for it to load up. I just don't want to do it for y'all right now. So I'll have to check out the news, see what's going on. That might be a good signal for a short. That means, betting on it going down. RSI is definitely oversold. You might have a good play up, but it might play up and go back down. So be careful. And here's a good one. AXON. Now I played this one pretty good yesterday. Not beautifully, but pretty good. Had good spikes. Definitely could have got back in on this oversold. See how that right there oversold. Let's go ahead and mark that, because that could be a previous, that could be a future reference for support. But right here, see, I already marked the high day here. I was already checking this bad boy out. It's still right in the news from yesterday about let me see, lysine pack and Parkinson's treatment. That's right. So let's look at the RSI. It's overbought right now because it's curling up. It's trying to reach that high day again. Lots of volume. Definitely the stock to watch, but watch for it to dump out first because it's been having such a nice run from $1.70, $1.70 all the way to $6. So be careful with that one. It's definitely on an uptrend, but this could be a correction day. So be careful. And my last one I'm looking at, which also doesn't have much volume going on, just had a nice spike. So not much going on. TNTR. It's alright. We'll see if it definitely gets a volume spike. Oh yeah. We'll check it out. So, let's check out the overall market real quick. See how SPY's doing. Check out for the yearly. Look at that. I made a line right there, and it's clearly broken that. If it passes here, right here, we can clearly see that might be a good indication for more uptrend, a continuous uptrend. It just bounced off of the 200-day moving average here around this area. Pretty see how it bounced off of previous support. May go even lower, way lower, but see how that was the least amount of shares traded. When the bars, I'll zoom in on it. The bars nice and thick, that's the most of the action going on. And then what's all skinny like this, yeah, least amount of shares traded right there. But this is a yearly chart, so that could be 200,000 shares or a million shares for this big index right here. Not index, but this big ETF right here. That's nothing to it. See, this is 62 million shares right here in just one day. So looking at, it's got a good uptrend. It's getting to the overbought area. It's going to start curling down here probably in the middle of the day. Well, let me take a closer look before I say that. Yeah, look at that. It's been on a nice uptrend. Let's see how long it's been on the uptrend. Been on a nice uptrend after a greatly oversold area right there. You see that on the RSI? Oversold is how you can get good swings in, because when it's oversold, it's gotta bounce back. It could keep going down, and you have to put a stop loss to make sure you're not, riding some bad news that you missed or something else going on. But generally, you get these good oversold areas. You can make a good profit on the uprise. So let's check out the 1 minute real quick. Well, 1 day, 5 minute real quick on SPY. Get a feel like what it might do for the day. Mark the high day real quick. It's on the uprise, on the uptrend. Get a yearly real quick. So it might have a back and forth motion for a while, The market's real rocky. The market plays heavy on the president actions, on how everything's going. The tech sector has been on the rise and has been showing great growth, so that's been helping out. Apple's about to hit all-time highs, and things are going pretty decently, but stores are closing, like Sears and Toys R Us, so rocky times. All right, guys, you check it out. 3 minutes left till the market is open. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for market, read up on some news real quick, and get ready for my trades. I will see you guys tomorrow.